Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Me Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to flip the image or flip the photo on your Google Photos on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to flip the image on your Google photo, which is going to show in this video. For an example, I just choose this photo. Here we have a two cubes. I just need to flip this image. So you just need to click on the image first. Just select the image first. You just need to flip the image. Then you have this option called edit. Click on this. After clicking on the edit option, you have this option called crop. Click on this, and here you can find the flip option. So you can just crop and you can just change the orientation or things. So after deciding the everything, you have this option tool. This is called flip tool. Click on this, so you can just easily flip. If you just need to see the original thing, you can just crop it, or you can just easily flip it by like this. Just tap on it, you can just flip it. You can just click on the save as copy, so the image flips. Image will be saved as like this. This is how you just flip the image on your Google Photos on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.